Hi everyone, it's Gail and I'm here with a bonus video today. This is the tag of the month for July from Piles of Paragraphs on Etsy, my pal Lori. And this time it's moon and stars sort of a one. And so I'm this comes with the kit, and I'm going to turn it over so I'm not influenced by Lori's tag. But look at the fun card Lori sent. It's a shaker card. How fun is that? So that'll be fun to put in my correspondence journal. Okay, so let's see. We've got this blue vellum that is pretty cool. That could cover up the tag. I have no idea. I'm just gonna go for it and see what happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on here. I think we will just. I'm not gonna worry about the corners because I'll be cutting those off anyway, right? Just put a little skiff so that it doesn't hopefully doesn't show. That's the goal. Oh yeah, that's going to be fine. Okay, I've got a little trimming to do. Yeah, so this was well timed, Lori, because they just had on the news all the stuff about did they call it the Ring of Fire? I think they did the eclipse that I guess here we didn't see it. The Northeast saw it. We didn't see it here in Montana, but then again I wasn't looking. So maybe we could see a little something. But even in the Northeast it wasn't like a total eclipse or anything. Okay, so what are we going to do? We've got this little phases of the moon thing to work with. We've got some moons, and we've got a couple pieces of cardstock or scrapbook paper. We've got this fun thing. We've got a little bit of thread there, a little thing of stars there, and this wonderful thing. Okay, I don't know. What would one of these look like behind that? Kind of cool. I was kind of thinking about something like that. But I need to use my papers. I need to use a bit of my papers. I really kind of like that though. What if I used some of this behind here? Like, just sort of backed it with that. That makes that show up really well. Okay, I don't know if I want to use this or not. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to do. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I think I'm going to use this, like a little strip of it. And I think I'm going to put it up this side, kind of here. I'd like to have a few more stars showing, like that, and then that. Okay. I'm going for it. I think I've hummed and hawed on this one more than usual. I don't know which way this goes, up and down, but I kind of want the dark on that side, so that's what I'm doing. Oh. Okay. So then I'm going to put that kind of up like that. Kind of want it the other way. I think I can still do it. Okay. And then this is going to go like that. I meant to have that below that, but I could kind of go like that, center it. Okay. Okay. Let's see how we're doing. I don't know. Eek. Come here, you. There we go. Got it straight on there. Let me get my little spatula. Ah! Can't move it. Can't slide it. Okay, well that's good enough because we're going to put this other stuff on top of it. So I think I'm going to cut that about there. Let me get my top on my glue here. I'm going to go about right there. So that can go like that. I think I'm going to stress around that a bit. So cool how Lori puts these kits together. And, you know, when you think about it, she has to have quite a few of them put together and ready so that as the orders for them come in, she's ready to go. So it's kind of a feat in itself. So thank you, Lori, for doing this for all of us. And thanks to everybody who supports Lori in this endeavor too. I thought it was a genius idea to be to do a tag of the month kit thing. And I noticed Lori's got on her Etsy as well, she's got some slow stitch kits, so that's really cool. Okay, I think that's stuck. I'm going to use Fabri-Tac for the lace, and so just do that with the lace like that. Goodness, slow coming down. Excuse me while I just wait for 5 hours for my glue to come down. I probably need to refill again, don't I? Okay. Just gonna go like that with that. Okay, and then these little stars. Okay. Just gonna put them right up there like that. And then what? That's as far as I got in the plan. Well, this can go on the top. Would like that to be the topper. Like so. Let me get my Tim Holtz attacher. There we go. Okay. Then I'm thinking I'd like a word right there. Because you know you are allowed to use some of your own supplies in this as well. And see, I feel like I have enough I could do another one. Often I feel that way with, so I am going to, I'm going to use one of these words that my friend Lynn created. She is, I think she's working on getting them for her Etsy, but I had said one day in one of my videos that I really would like more options for up and down words instead of sideways words. And so Lynn very kindly answered my request and created these. So we'll just fussy cut this out. And see what we think. Oop. I guess we could say we're grateful for the moon and the stars, since the moon makes our earth work like it's supposed to. Yeah, I think I'm going to put that right there. Yeah. I was just wondering, do I want to, I think I might do a little inking. I didn't ink around my tag either, and I should have done that before I put the netting over it. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let me look and see if I can kind of, looks like I need to trim down my netting. That helps. Okay, and then, oh yeah, it goes right through. It's just fine. The other thing I love about these kits is it's a challenge. It's, you know, it's different things than you may have worked with before and that kind of thing. So it's just kind of like, you know, using pieces that Lori's picked out in a theme that she's picked out and everything. So kind of fun that way. Okay. Okay, there you have it. There is my July tag. I'm going to lift this up to the camera so you can see it a little bit better. I have a few pieces left that I can make another one. But so there we go. Thank you so much, Lori, for including me in your Tag of the Month endeavor. And thanks everybody for supporting Lori and for watching. Have a grateful day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.